Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on iPhone 15 Pro. So first, check cable and the charger for damage and compatibility with your phone. Then flip your iPhone and on the bottom you have the charging port. Clean it with a non-metallic tools such as Q-tips, wooden stick or compressed air. You can test with another fast charger and outlet, or you can test your charger and outlet with another phone. And you can update the software in settings, then scroll all the way to the general. Right here, software updates. You can enable automatic updates, and as you can see, my iOS is up to date, but if yours isn't, then here should be button to update it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.